In today's video, I wanted to explain to you more about the term cash flow modelling and what this means. Perhaps you've heard the term cash flow modelling when you've been doing your financial planning research and you've wondered what this type of service offers you. In the spirit of a picture paints 1,000 words, I thought I would give you a live demonstration of a cash flow model using the software that we use. Important to state from the off that these are example clients. You may recognise these particular celebrities, but they are certainly not active clients of Acumen's. Just an example. So taking you into cash flow modelling, this is the type of pictures and software that this will provide you with. I'm sure if you've ever worked with a financial advisory firm or you're about to, you'll probably be quite familiar with the term fact-finding. And fact-finding is the way that we get to know you as a client. Fact-finding will help us gather many hard facts like your name, date of birth, address, and many soft facts such as your preferences, your aims and objectives. With the cash flow model here, and just to give you a flavour, you can see we have two clients here, age 59. They are both currently employed, earning the same salary. And when we move on from income, we come to savings and investments. So they're able to tell us that they hold money on deposit. They have also built up some monies in stocks and shares ISAs in our fact-finding gathering exercise. And coming on to property, which is also very important for understanding things like their inheritance tax exposure, which we will cover in our initial planning meeting too. We will then get the value of their house and other assets such as their cars and jewelleries and such like. Moving on to pensions, we can see with these particular clients, they've built up money in money purchase pension funds, which means they have a capital amount at their disposal. And in previous working lives or previous employment, they have also built up deferred final salary schemes, which is also very important for retirement planning because this will provide them a future income as opposed to a future capital value. Combined with this, we also have the state pension, being hardworking people and have built up 35 years worth of qualifying service. So we also know from their state pension forecast that they provided us with that they will be entitled to a full state pension as well. An integral part of cash flow modelling is how we tell the software to grow their capital amounts, the pensions, the savings, the investments, but integral to it as well is also understanding what their retirement income expenditure preference is as well. And this couple have decided they're now mortgage free and they feel that their lifestyle would be £60,000 worth of index-linked income over the remaining part of their lives. If we go into the timeline here very quickly, you can see the major points here is obviously today. They've told us they would like to retire next year. They would like to understand if they can afford to do this. Their final salary pension schemes or their normal pension date will be age 65. And as planners, we think it's responsible to plan that their mortality could be into their late 90s, as much as that is an unknown, of course. So when we come onto the cash flow model, a very basic model here to see what we do know is they have this income over the next year. They've told us they would like to have £60,000 worth of index-linked income. And this red graph that you're looking at just now is their expenditure inclusive of forecasted taxation as well. So if we look to cover this expenditure, we could say, well, over the next year, they're going to have their employment income. We know that they will have the state pensions payable, in their case, age 67. They also have final salary income payable. They have various savings and investments, which would look to cover over the next few years when they do finish employment. And then coming to their money purchase pension schemes, it would be fair to say it looks like they have quite a good and positive financial summary, financial forecast on the horizon. So yeah, as I said at the start of the video, this was designed to be an introduction to cash flow modelling, to give you an insight into what this software can do. And as I've said already, This forms an integral part of our initial and ongoing financial planning. And please stay tuned for further videos explaining exactly what the software does and the depth of its resource. As I said at the start of the video, if you'd like to hear more, please refer to our website, www.acumenfp.com. And if you would like to book a consultation, please do so on the homepage. Thank you for watching.